So, our sax player did not show up tonight.
So what are we going to do about that?
I don't know, because
Do you
I was
think
really
there's...
planning on having that
Should we...
saxophone.
Do you think there's anyone...
Well, is anybody here that plays sax or anything like that? I mean, is that
You...
somebody?
Hey.
I can't see you.
There's someone raised their hand over there.
That guy. I mean, but you have a saxophone with you. That's the key.
Can you get it?
Get it? Are you sure this is a good idea?
You just picked up a hitchhiker on Stories from the Road.
Like some random
There you
guy?
go. Hey.
Where is he? Did he leave?
You know, I think he went to... He might actually have it. I think he went to get it. Yeah, there's a pawn shop. There's a music store next door, you see. Actually, for sure, there is. You want to play something in the meantime? To what?
He's already here.
Hey.
Are you any good? Are you any good though? Not sure.
We got plenty of tomatoes to eat.
I'm sweating a little bit. I'm sweating just a little bit.
What do you want to play?
I will tell you something really kind of funny.
What?
Yeah.
I got thrown out of here about 20 years ago,
Well, no wonder.
and that's very hard to do.
So what's your name?
My name's Joe.
Joe. Hi, Joe. Hey, everybody.
Joe Morales, who's that?
We want to hear Joe. Want to hear Joe? All right. Well, cool, man. It worked out pretty good. Where else in Austin can you be like, hey, anybody got like a hurdy-gurdy?
I know what that is.
I got a. How about a little meters, gentlemen?
Oh, a little sissy?
Mm-hmm. Did you just call me a sissy?
Yeah. This is called Sissy Strut.
Oh, yeah?
Can you play that?
Am I supposed to know that?
Yeah.
In what key?
Oh, he's asking for the key. This means it's a good possibility.
Well, no, you just heard.
If he didn't know what he's doing, he wouldn't be like.
Hey. He can play.
good enough, sorry.
Stay up here. Joe Morales, everybody.
We're liars. We
Pants
totally
on
lied to
fire.
you. It was very convincing, though, wasn't it? I heard somebody out there go, "Isn't that Joe Morales?" And I'm like, the jig is up, people. The jig is up.
Oh, that's funny.
Yes, that is Joe Morales. Hey, man, how are you?